Right, it's just a quick video showing how the BLTroniX V11 Blaster electronics kit basically goes together. This is how you receive it. So bear with me and I'll just connect them all bits up. This is your battery charger, and obviously the battery holder plugs in like so. That connects to the PCB here. Speaker, there is an option for 2 speakers. It does only come supplied with 1. Basically because of the space inside the blaster, it is hard to try and fit 2, but there is a connector to add another speaker. Oh. Reload switch. This fits inside the Henksler. Select switch goes on the back of the grip. Trigger switch. Like so. Scope is a separate, the animated scope is a separate kit. It comes exactly like this if you have it pre-built, and basically this just plugs straight into there. Bear with me, a bit tight. And then you've got the scope on and off switch to reserve or conserve battery power. So you don't have to have the scope displayed on all the time. Move these baggies out the way. Then you've got basically your OLED display, which again fits inside the Henksler. Should have put these on first. And your LED barrel lights and fire LED. Move those wires out the way. Yeah, your fire LED is on the end here, which goes in the end of the barrel. These go down inside the barrel. Get them baggies out of the way. You're not going to see the scope. It's going to be upside down. I unfortunately can't do anything about that. And let's see if we can get that display so you can sort of see it. Obviously it doesn't come with a battery because of postal, but these are my battery connectors which can fit inside, and it is just literally a case of slopping that in there and making sure obviously you get the polarity correct. On off switch, turn on.
Please wait, weapons systems initializing. Your Blast Tech Industries weapon is now fully operational.
So you've got
B11 Blaster.
You've got your OLED display, and then obviously all your buttons and switches. So your trigger, let's find it again. The wires are so long so that you can basically cut them down to fit inside your blaster.
Stun Blaster. Flame. Bowcaster. X-Wing Starfighter. TIE Fighter. 44 Magnum. K98 Mauser. Machine gun. Theme music. Stormtrooper phrases.
The Death Star plans are not in the main computer. Follow me. It's them.
Scope activated.
The scope, once you activate it, it loads all the programming inside the DF robot, and then will come a light. There you go. So there's two buttons on the scope, one for changing the display. So we've got a reflection off the camera light. And the other button is for the red dot LED laser, which sits in the front of the scope. On and off. And then obviously you can...
Scope deactivated.
And then to power off... Oh, one more on the... if you hold down the select button...
All garrisons, be advised, DT-419 is now online.
Stun blaster.
You basically get the radio mode. And then off. Well, as I say, that call comes, this is how the kit comes without the battery, and obviously the scope, for those that don't want a scope, is separate, so you can buy that on its own. The ST files are designed for this to all fit in, basically come free when you buy the kit, so you can print my E11 blaster and fit this kit straight in, or obviously you can adapt whatever to fit it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.